1,000 microbial stories I've heard from Dr. Huang Selang over the past 10 years. Why did one of them collapse today? The answer was in microbes. I had a bad bowel. Diarrhea and constipation were repeated every time, and eating meat made my stomach uncomfortable. The hospital called it IBS. The prescription was always the same: lactobacillus antibiotics. But no matter how much I took it, it didn't get better. From then on, I started asking questions. There is a problem with the field, so why can't we fix the overtime field? Then I saw a paper: collapse of the gut microbial ecosystem affects immunity and emotion. Those words captured me. I started the experiment. Dozens of fermentation experiments have been conducted to see how natural microbes work. As a result, I find a fermentation effect. Fermented seed bacteria, which is a harmonious combination of 12 kinds of microorganisms by selecting beneficial bacteria from traditional fermented foods, is Yuin bacteria. Milvia is a fermentation plant that grows microorganisms as food, fermenting food and helping to improve the intestinal environment. I stopped taking medicine and drank my own fermented vinegar every day. Apple. Add garlic, platicobacterium and citrus peel. Mix milking bacteria and ferment slowly. A year, 2 years, 10 years, and years have passed, and there have been amazing changes. My abdominal bloating disappeared, and I went to the bathroom regularly. Then one morning, I woke up refreshed. Sleep is different. I feel different too. Sleeping comfortably makes my mind quiet. It's not just a bottle of vinegar. Inside is the microbial ecosystem, the rhythms of natural fermentation, and respect for the human body. I've been lecturing a lot about fermentation and microorganisms for over a decade, but the starting point of this journey was the reality that my body was sick. Without that pain, I would not have met Yuin U1. Gut health is not a complicated theory. Fermenting the food you eat every day to contain healthy microbes, that's the start. Even now, I still drink yogurt fermented vinegar every day. For me, that is the smallest practice and the greatest recovery. Happiness. The world is full.